There was one chair she never used. It stayed empty for years. One silent evening changed everything. In the next few minutes, you'll learn 10 powerful English words and a story about waiting, memory, and letting go. This is day 10. The final story. Welcome to day 10. Some stories don't shout. They whisper. Today's story is simple, quiet, and real. Listen closely. This is Meera. She is 40 years old. She runs a small cafe near the sea. Every morning, Meera opens her cafe at 6 a.m. She cleans the tables. She arranges the chairs. One chair is different. It is by the window. No one sits there. Years ago, that chair belonged to her husband, Arjun. Every evening, he sat there, tea in his hands, silence between them. One day, Arjun left for work. He never returned. People told Meera to move on, to remove the chair. She didn't. Time passed. Seasons changed. The cafe became busy. But the chair stayed empty. One quiet evening, a young boy entered the cafe. He stood near the window. He looked tired, lost. "May I sit here?" he asked softly. Meera hesitated. Then she nodded. The boy sat in the chair. He drank his tea slowly. He smiled. "My father used to sit like this," he said. By the window, watching the world. Meera felt her throat tighten. When the boy left, he said, "Thank you. This place feels safe." That night, Meera moved the chair slightly. Not away. Just forward. For the first time, she understood. Holding on keeps pain alive. Sharing memory allows healing. I'll say each word. I'll explain it simply. And I'll show you how to use it. Listen carefully. These words will help you speak better English every day. Ready? Let's go. Word number 1, silent. Meaning, without sound. Example, the cafe was silent in the evening. Word number 2, belonged. Meaning, was owned by someone. Example, the chair belonged to her husband. Word number 3, remove. Meaning, take something away. Example, she refused to remove the chair. Word number 4, seasons. Meaning, different times of the year. Example, seasons changed, but the chair stayed. Word number 5, hesitated. Meaning, paused before deciding. Example, Meera hesitated before answering. Word number 6, tighten. Meaning, become tense or emotional. Example, her throat tightened with emotion. Word number 7, safe. meaning free from danger or fear. Example, the boy felt safe in the cafe. Word number 8, forward, meaning ahead, not backward. Example, she moved the chair forward. Word number 9, holding on, meaning refusing to let go. Example, holding on made her pain stronger. Word number 10, healing, meaning becoming emotionally better. Example, sharing memories helped her healing. Now, let's practice. Say each word with feeling. Silent, belonged, remove, seasons, hesitated, tighten, safe, forward, holding on, healing. Let's revisit the story using today's words. The cafe was silent. One chair belonged to her husband. She refused to remove it. Many seasons passed quietly. One evening, she hesitated. Her throat tightened with emotion. The stranger felt safe there. She moved the chair forward. Holding on slowly faded. Healing finally began. Answer these 3 quick questions in the comments below, and I'll reply to every learner who participates. Question number 1. What does hesitated mean? Question number 2. Use safe in a sentence. Question number 3. Which word means becoming emotionally better? Not all endings are loud. Some are gentle. If this story touched you, like, subscribe, share, comment why day 10 if you felt this story. Your English and your heart are growing.